Hello everybody, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to debug in JavaScript and how to get out the content in JavaScript to make this visible. This is the script. I am going to show you how to debug. Console.log. Wait. We're gonna test console. This is the console. In JavaScript we can write console object and .log. We can see what is with the console.log and the object. Console has debug, error, information, log, warning, detector, clear. The property of console we can see. Where is in log. Console.window. The window is an object of browser to manage the document and window. What we are seeing, that is the window. Window has document, elements, and many other properties, events. Window.document. Console document. The written HTML content, that is document. We can write here directly. Both are same. JavaScript allows to write directly without as a property of window. That is auto property of window. That is the document in this file, and suppose title dot title. You can see the title. So title is a property of document. We wanna see the output on our window. Then we need an element ID content the ID with the JavaScript variable ID document. We have seen document and also with the ID. Get element by ID. You can see with the console. You can see our null. ID is not showing, that is showing the null. But why? First, we need to load the document, HTML document, then JavaScript will be executed. JavaScript is being executed first, then loading the HTML. For this why we need to know the JavaScript that will be executed on load. Add event listener, the event is load and function. In function, we'll write this start end. Now we got the div. In jQuery, we'll use the document dot ready, but in JavaScript, window dot add event will that. Otherwise, the JavaScript will execute faster than loading the HTML. First load the HTML, then execute the JavaScript. We can enter some content id dot inner HTML. New content. We got new content. If we comment out this, nothing we can see. Cannot set property in HTML of null. That is showing null. That is very important in JavaScript to debug. Now that's okay. We're gonna hide this alert. Suppose x is equal to 100 x. So alert is another option to see the output, and we can debug with the alert. The value you can see same like console.log. Look here. You can see the element console to see the output of variable source. You can see network performance. You can see performance, the status of memory. Sometimes we need to see the situation of memory, how much RAM that is getting, how much RAM that is using. Application, you can see the storage and other properties, cookies, session, local storage, suppose local set item x and its value. X, you can see we say that. So in local storage you can see our key value. Thanks for watching this tutorial.